Hello sir, this is Trinath Kumar. My team members are Namrata, Dinesh and Chaitanya. My project guide is Raman sir, and the main concept of our project e-ambulance traffic and patient monitoring system is ambulance will reach the hospital by monitoring the patient condition without time delay at the traffic junctions. Here we will explain about introduction, literature survey, and here we have two modules based on our project. They are traffic module and ambulance module. In both we have block diagram and explanation. Circuit diagram, testing module, pictures that was captured in real time. Nowadays there are so many accidents occurring in our daily life and so many people are stuck at traffic junctions in ambulance so that they are getting late to reach the hospital and due to time delay they are not getting the treatment in time. In some instance of time they are going to lose their lives also. For that some other foreign countries are providing separate lane for ambulance, and in India there is no system like that, and in the that too people are not responding for the ambulance that is stuck in the traffic junctions. So that we are introducing this concept of that is communicating with the RF module from ambulance. We are sending an information of patient condition through the GSM module to the hospital. The concept that is related to our concept is traffic light control systems and patient monitoring, emergency transportation with the help of ARM processor module, and another projects are related to this concept, and this was proposed in 2016. And the proposed system is e-ambulance traffic and patient monitoring system. This is used to monitor the patient condition before reaching the hospital in the ambulance. We are mainly concentrating on the temperature, heart pulse, and information of blood groups. And this information will be passing through the hospital through GSM module. And for the clearance of the traffic to the ambulance, we are giving a RF signal from ambulance to the traffic signal system within the range of the set junction. In the above picture, we are noticing that ambulance is stuck in the traffic junctions. In these conditions, our project is very useful to clear the traffic at the traffic junctions. And this is a block diagram of traffic module. Here we have power supply, RF receiver, microcontroller, and the traffic lights, namely red, yellow, green, in the respective directions. In our concept, we have two modules: traffic module and ambulance module. And the traffic module can be work like the signal which is in the other lane that can be switched through the uh, current lane of the ambulance, so that the ambulance can be moved forward to the hospital in time. And we are providing the RF receiver to the traffic module and the RF transmitter to the ambulance module. And we are providing a compass needle and four switches to know the direction of the lane. If we are reaching the traffic junction, and the ambulance driver can be give the signal by using the switches to the receiver section that which is at the traffic junction. In this way, this traffic module can be operated by the we can reach the hospital in time. Before we are introducing our concept, the ambulance is stuck at the traffic junction. Like the figure 1 notices that ambulance is stuck at the traffic junctions. And after introducing our concept that ambulance will be going to reach the hospital in time, so that the time delay was decreasing. And this is the circuit diagram for the traffic module. The receiver section can send the decoded information to microcontroller with the help of the program of microcontroller that which is coded in Proteus software. And with the help of the microcontroller, the traffic lights can be operated with received information from the ambulance, because the ambulance can be transmitted the information to the receiver. This figure shows the transmitted signal before communicating with the receiver signal. And this figure shows the transmitted signal after communicating with the receiver signal. This is the testing of traffic module. Here green signal will allow to move the ambulance along with the traffic vehicles that which are waiting at the traffic line. And the above figure shows the communication signal. The communication was done by the respective manner of the communication that which was shown in the figures. This is the block diagram of ambulance module. It consists of blood group indication switches, heartbeat sensor, and temperature sensor, Arduino microcontroller, and GSM module on RF transmitter that which was communicating with the transmitter receiver section, which is in the traffic module. In ambulance, we are calibrating the body temperature, heart pulse with the help of biomedical sensors, so that the collected information of the patient will send to the hospital through the GSM module, and we are providing the blood group intimation through the hospital. By this, the information of the patient will send to the hospital before reaching to the hospital of the patient. And the above figure shows the testing module of the ambulance kit. This is the circuit diagram for ambulance kit, and this kit was operated by Arduino microcontrolling programming. And the GSM module can be stored the information that can be collected from heartbeat sensor and temperature module, and the information of the blood group from relatives, and this information will reach the hospital before patient will reach. Hardware and software components that are used for this prototype. Traffic lights 8089S52 microcontroller RF module that consists of transmitter section and receiver section. Arduino microcontroller, GSM module, heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, toggle switches, and LCD display power supply. These are the main advantages of our concept: reduction of time to reach the hospital, and monitoring the patient health condition before reaching the hospital, fully automated signal at the junction, and it provides easy access to the traffic lights.
Hi, this is Namrata from EC final year. Our team members are Trinad, Dinesh and Chaitanya, and our project guide is C.H. Rambabu sir, Assistant Professor of EC Department. Our project title is E-Ambulance Traffic and Patient Monitoring System. Now I am going to explain about our project proposal system. E-Ambulance is nothing but fully medically equipped vehicle. And nowadays we are facing many accidents, and the ambulance is getting late to reach the hospital due to the jam in the traffic junctions. For that case, we have proposed a system, E-Ambulance Traffic and Patient Monitoring System. In India, it is a major issue that ambulance is stuck in the traffic junctions. Here we do not have a separate way for the ambulance like other countries. It is a very major role issue in India nowadays. Our project system has two kits called traffic module kit and the ambulance module kit. Firstly, traffic module kit. The aim of traffic module kit is to give signal from the ambulance which is stuck in the traffic junctions or any some other lane. Now to operate the traffic module from ambulance is to require RF signal which contains receiver at the traffic junction and the transmitter at the receiver junction, transmitter at the ambulance. Here we are also providing switches called north, south, east, west. With these, by the use of these switches, the ambulance driver can give signal to the receiver, which is at the traffic junctions. In this way, the traffic kit can be operated. Secondly, ambulance module. In ambulance module, we are mainly concentrating about sensors called temperature and heart pulse. With these particular sensors, we can find the patient's condition, and the patient data will be informed before reaching to the hospital, informed to the doctors before reaching to the hospital. That ambulance is reached to hospital through GSM module. And also mainly we are providing some switches called blood group indication switches. These switches is helpful for hospitals and doctors, that whether the hospital has a blood group stock due to the major requirement for the patient. And these patient these condition of the patient's problem can be sent through SMS. By this we can reduce the time by knowing the hospital has the facility of requirements for the person, uh, and this is the way the ambulance model can be operated. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is K. Sai Dinesh Kumar, and our project is e-ambulance and patient monitoring system. Our project guide is C.H. Ravan Babu sir. He is done with his MTech and PhD. We are team members for Vemla Trinath Kumar and Seeram Chaitanya and K. Sai Dinesh Kumar and K. Namrata Harini. Our project main motto is to overcome the death rate in traffic. So we came with the project e-ambulance and patient monitoring system. In this, nowadays a lot of accidents are occurring in traffic. So we done traffic microcontrolling and patient monitoring. So our project is that, and so death rate, to reduce the death rate, we did this project. And our main project idea is while traveling a person got an accident and he rescued with ambulance. So while he's stuck in the traffic, so he can save his by the traffic. If the red light is occurring in that route, he'll send the ambulance driver can monitor the green light and red light also. So he'll put on the green light to move the vehicle to the other road, so he can safely reach to the hospital. So by using the RF modules, we designed a microcontroller. This kit comes and ambulance. So the ambulance driver can control the traffic control lights by putting on green signal. The 4 switches will become in the microcontroller. He can put on the north, south, east, west. So which direction he is coming, he can put on that signal. So the green light will be appear. So he can move in the traffic. So another thing is the second part of our project is patient monitoring. The first we using the heartbeat sensor and there's a temperature sensors and blood group intimation device. So this is joined to the GSM module, which sends SMS to the hospital, so they can collect the data of the patient before they reaching the hospital. So this is very important. So patient can reach early, and the patient data also will send in before to the hospital. So the life rate will increase, the death rate will reduces. So this is the main project idea, and the motivation of our project is to reduce the death rate. So we can increase the life of the person by rescuing in time. So we are using RF modules, Arduino boards, and temperature sensor and heartbeat sensors and traffic lights. For that RF module we are using. These are the basic main components of our project, and we constructed a traffic system and ambulance kit also. In this ambulance kit, these sensors will come under this, and main advantages of this project it reduces the time. It's a very advantage in reduction of the time, and very fast accurate readings will come under this, and low maintenance is very good using this project. So we can update this project and upgrades can be added to this project in future, and this is the main project of e-ambulance and patient monitoring system. So thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sriram Chaitanya, studying at Welfare Engineering College from EC department, and our project is e-ambulance traffic and patient monitoring system, and our teammates are Vemla Trinath Kumar, our team leader Dinesh Kumar and Namrata Harini, under the guidance of C.H. Ramanbabu sir, assistant professor, ECE department. Coming to our project, India is a country with the second largest road network in the world, which has a total stretch of 5.4 kilometers of road network, in which 97,991 kilometers are covered by national highways. Road accidents are the one of the most common cause of death in India. It's due to ambulance getting late to the hospital, due to traffic jams in some certain junctions, and we don't have any facility of sending patient health condition in order to overcome this problem. We are doing this project, and our project helps to send information of ambulance coming to the particular junction, so that the traffic management will clear the traffic of the particular lane and makes the ambulance find its way to the hospital early, and also sends the patient's details to the hospitals with the traffic and patient monitoring kit present in ambulance.
Conclusion of the proposed system is useful for critical patient issues. It monitors status of the patient healthcare in terms of temperature, heartbeat, and the system found very useful for the emergency treatment of patient during the transportation, as expert doctors that are connected to the system, and this all information can be done without reaching to the hospital of the patient, and it provides the transportation unit information and as well as the patient health information, which is useful for further emergency treatment for the doctors. In future, other biomedical sensors like blood glucose sensor can be integrated into the proposed system, and it make it more functional and autonomous, and adding on IoT concepts and abstraction based on sensors, density based sensors, etc. Along with this, ambulance can be fully GPS enabled, and the live location of ambulance can be accessed by the both patient and hospital authorities using the Google Maps by rerouting the ambulance with the inbuilt of HMS, means heart monitoring system. One can reach the nearest hospital through the shortest path. If the project can be implemented on a large scale, we can create the common database of the patient exclusively for the medical purposes. And these are the references of our project. Thank you. Is there any questions regarding this concept? Please call me or message to my number. Thank you.